Here are 7 fascinating psychology facts about girls. Let's get smarter. 1. Girls are often better at multitasking than boys. Did you know that girls are able to use both parts of their brain better than boys when it comes to multitasking? Research has shown that girls have a stronger ability to use the left and right sides of their brain simultaneously, allowing them to switch between tasks more seamlessly and efficiently. This ability is due to the greater number of connections between the two sides of the brain in girls. Moreover, studies have shown that they have a greater volume of gray matter in the brain's prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making, planning, and organization. This may explain why girls are better at managing multiple tasks and juggling competing demands without becoming overwhelmed. While it's important to note that not all girls excel at multitasking and not all boys struggle with it, the fact remains that a lot of girls have a unique ability to manage multiple tasks simultaneously with ease. By recognizing and celebrating this strength, we can empower girls to believe in their capabilities and inspire them to strive for greatness in all aspects of their lives. 2. Girls tend to have better emotional intelligence than boys. Have you ever wondered why girls often exhibit stronger emotional intelligence than boys? Emotional intelligence refers to the ability to understand, manage, and express emotions effectively, and girls tend to have a natural talent for it. This is likely due to a combination of biological and social factors. Research has shown that estrogen, which is more prevalent in girls, may promote the growth of areas of the brain involved in emotional processing. Additionally, girls are often socialized to be more in tune with their emotions and the emotions of others, while boys are encouraged to be more stoic and unemotional. This societal pressure can limit boys' emotional intelligence development, whereas girls are allowed to explore their emotional side more freely. Despite these differences, emotional intelligence is not fixed and can be developed through training and practice. In fact, some studies have found that emotional intelligence training programs can lead to significant gains in this area. Girls' superior emotional intelligence can help them navigate complex social situations, resolve conflicts more effectively, and provide emotional support to others. 3. Girls tend to be more perfectionistic. It is commonly observed that girls tend to have a greater inclination towards perfectionism, which can be both a strength and a challenge. Perfectionism involves setting high standards for oneself and striving for excellence in all areas of life, and girls are often more driven towards achieving these ideals. Their tendency towards perfectionism can be attributed to various factors, such as their desire for success, fear of failure, and societal pressures to conform to high standards. However, it's important to note that excessive perfectionism can be detrimental to one's mental health, leading to stress, anxiety, and burnout. On the other hand, girls' perfectionistic tendencies can also lead to exceptional results in academic and professional settings. Their attention to detail, focus, and drive can help them excel in their chosen fields, and they can be valuable assets in team environments. By recognizing and addressing the challenges of perfectionism while embracing its strengths, girls can empower themselves to achieve their full potential and create positive change in the world. 4. Girls tend to be more risk-averse. Have you ever noticed that girls tend to be more risk-averse than boys? While this trait can be an advantage in some situations, it can also be a disadvantage if it prevents them from taking calculated risks. The reasons behind this tendency are complex and multifaceted, ranging from upbringing to cultural expectations. While it is important to acknowledge the potential pitfalls of excessive risk aversion, it is equally important to recognize the strengths that it can bring. Girls' tendency towards caution and deliberation can lead to smarter decision-making in high-stakes situations. By carefully weighing the pros and cons, they can avoid potential pitfalls and make more informed choices. The key is to strike a balance between risk aversion and risk-taking. By recognizing and addressing the challenges of risk aversion while embracing its strengths, girls can empower themselves to take calculated risks that lead to greater opportunities for growth and success. With the right mindset and approach, girls can achieve their full potential and thrive in any situation. 5. Girls are more likely to remember details. Studies have shown that girls are more likely to remember details compared to boys, which can be an advantage in various aspects of life. Girls often have a remarkable ability to recall information such as names, dates, and events with greater accuracy and detail than their male counterparts. Their superior memory retention can be attributed to various factors, such as their better processing and recall of verbal information, stronger short-term memory retention, and more effective use of context and associations to aid in memory recall. This ability to remember details can be highly beneficial in academic settings, where recall of information is critical for success. Their superior memory retention can also help them in their personal and professional lives, such as remembering important dates and events or recalling details from a meeting or presentation. At the same time, it's important to note that this trait is not exclusive to girls, and boys can also develop their memory retention skills with practice and training. 6. Girls are often better at verbal communication than boys. Girls possess a natural aptitude for verbal communication that is widely recognized as a valuable trait in various facets of life, such as personal relationships, professional endeavors, and academic pursuits. Verbal communication involves the ability to express oneself effectively using words, and girls have a natural talent for it. Their superior verbal communication skills can be attributed to various factors, such as their better processing and recall of verbal information, stronger language skills, and more effective use of non-verbal cues, such as tone and pitch, to convey emotions. This ability to communicate effectively can be highly beneficial in personal and professional settings, such as in negotiations, public speaking, and team collaboration. Their verbal communication skills also enable them to build stronger relationships with others, express their emotions and opinions more effectively, and resolve conflicts more efficiently. 7. Girls tend to be more cooperative. Girls are commonly noted for their natural inclination towards cooperation, a highly advantageous trait in various aspects of life. Cooperation involves working together towards a common goal, and girls have a natural talent for it. Their superior cooperative skills can be attributed to various factors, such as their better social skills, stronger sense of empathy, and greater inclination towards collaboration. They are more likely to listen to others' perspectives, consider different viewpoints, and work towards finding mutually beneficial solutions. This ability to cooperate effectively can be highly beneficial in personal and professional settings, such as in team environments, negotiations, and conflict resolution. Their cooperative skills also enable them to build stronger relationships with others and create a more inclusive and supportive community. By recognizing and celebrating girls' superior cooperative skills, we can empower them to achieve greater success in their personal and professional lives. At the same time, it's important to note that this trait is not exclusive to girls, and boys can also develop their cooperative skills with practice and training. If you are curious about more psychology facts, please watch the next video that we've handpicked for you.